In this video, you'll learn how to create an IndiaMART style B2B website using WordPress. By following these steps, you will set up a functional and visually appealing site that can cater to business needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Once there, look for the option labeled Sites on the top menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the area where you can manage your WordPress sites. Make sure you are connected to the internet with a stable connection to ensure smooth navigation. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This will initiate the AI site building process. After you select this option, the interface may take a moment to load depending on your internet speed. Be patient as the page transitions to the next step. After that, you will see a prompt labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial as it helps set the basic structure of your new website. You may notice a loading indicator while the system processes your request. Once the initial setup is completed, a message will appear stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This message confirms that the AI is ready to assist you in customizing your site. Take a moment to review this information before moving on to the next step. At this point, type in the phrase, "Create an IndiaMART style B2B website" into the provided text field. This input informs the AI about the specific type of website you want to create. After entering the text, press Enter to confirm your input and continue. Following this, a message will display that indicates WordPress.com can create the type of website you specified. This confirmation allows you to proceed with the AI's suggestions based on your input. Ensure to read through any recommendations provided by the system. Now type in the choice presented above. This step is essential as it allows you to further refine the AI's understanding of your website's purpose. After typing, press Enter again to submit your choice and advance to the next phase. You will then see another prompt. Click on Enter once more to continue. Each of these steps is designed to build upon the previous information you've provided, leading to a tailored website creation process. Next, you will encounter a message asking what your website should be called, which will be the site title displayed in the Browser tab. This is an important aspect of your site's identity, so choose a name that reflects your business. Type in the name you have chosen for your site. After entering the name, press Enter to confirm it. This action is necessary to ensure your site has a unique identifier on the web. Subsequently, you'll be prompted with a question regarding the tagline or description that should show in search results and social previews. This is your opportunity to summarize what your business offers succinctly. Type in a tagline that clearly communicates your business's mission. This description will help potential customers understand the value of your services. Again, press Enter to finalize your input. Following this, click on Enter to proceed to the next step. Each action you take is further guiding the AI in creating a customized website that meets your specifications. Once you've completed the previous steps, click on the button that says Create My Site. This action will initiate the final setup process for your website. Depending on the complexity of your site, this may take a few moments. After that, you will see a message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on generating your new website. It is important to remain patient during this process as it can vary in duration based on server load. Wait for the system to generate your site. You may see a progress indicator during this time, which provides a visual cue of the ongoing process. Ensure that your internet connection remains stable to avoid interruptions. In the final stages, you might see a message indicating that this process might take a while. This is normal and it is essential to allow the system the time it needs to complete the setup accurately. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.